Hi students, welcome to today's class. So in the last few classes, I explained I covered all the main topics of subtopics of JEE, so straight lines, chapter straight lines. So in this video, I am going to explain the solutions of the questions given in previous JEE mains examinations. So try to understand first of all the questions, read the questions carefully. So these questions are very easy to solve. So the only thing is the right approach of the problem. Okay now. So first what is given data? When you are reading the problem itself, so you have to imagine all the concepts should come into your mind. Some problems are there, they are just after almost board level. So such at one type of problem is there. It is, I can say, it is almost board level problem. It was given in JEE Mains 2022 question. So let us see the problem. So here alpha 1 comma alpha 2, where alpha 1 less than alpha 2. Be the values of alpha for which the points alpha comma minus 3, 2 comma 0 and 1 comma alpha to be collinear. So here it is given that these 3 points, that is alpha comma minus 3, 2 comma 0, 1 comma alpha. These 3 points are collinear. So whenever they were given as collinear, immediately in your mind some concepts should come in your mind. So the first one is, if you consider it as a B, C. So if A, B, C are collinear, the first thing is slope of AB is equal to slope of BC. First one. Second one, the area of the triangle ABC is equal to 0. So third one is if the equation of the line passing through AB also should passes through C. Okay, so all those concepts that should come in your mind. Okay, that's all. So next one, then the equation of the line passing through alpha 1 and alpha 2 and making an angle of pi by 3, that is 60 degrees with the positive direction of x-axis. Of course, options are also available. So I have we can write it, but so to first I will concentrate on the solution. So here it is given that A, B, C. These 3 are collinear. Therefore, I can write it as a slope of AB. Slope of AB is equal to slope of BC. Okay, slope of AB is equal to slope of BC. What is the slope of the line passing through the points AB? So difference of y coordinates upon difference of x coordinates. That means y2 minus y1. So 0, that is 3 by x2 minus x1. 2 minus alpha is equal to slope of BC, y2 minus y1, alpha minus 0, alpha by 1 minus 2, that is minus 1. Okay now, so take the cross multiplication. So if you cross multiply these two, so you will get 2 alpha minus alpha square is equal to minus 3. So definitely we got a quadratic equation, that is alpha square. So this is a minus 2 alpha minus 3 is equal to 0. Okay now, so you got a quadratic equation. The factors are clearly alpha minus 3 into alpha plus 1 is equal to 0. Okay, therefore alpha is equal to minus 3 or minus 1. Sorry, alpha is equal to 3 or minus 1. So he is saying that alpha 1 and alpha 2 be the values of alpha. Understand this? So that means, so here alpha 1 is less than alpha 2. So this will be your alpha 1 and this will be your alpha 2. Therefore, what is your point? So your point is minus 1 comma 3. Minus 1 comma 3. Now you have to find out the equation of the line passing through minus 1 comma 3 and making an angle pi by 3. That is theta is equal to pi by 3. That is 60 degrees. Point you know, the inclination you know. So what is the equation of the line? Y minus y1. So y minus y1 is equal to m means tan theta. Tan theta means pi by 3. Pi by 3 means 60. Tan 60 root 3. This is a slope. So that is a root 3 into x plus 1. So here clearly this is alpha 1 and alpha 2. Why? Because alpha 1 less than alpha 2. So in the problem, if you see the JEE mains problem, everything they will be clearly, they will give mention. So here it is given that alpha 1 is less than alpha 2. If it is not given, Some students may take this as alpha 1 and this as alpha 2. So thereby you will get two equations. Okay, na? Right. So that's why they clearly mention alpha 1 is less than alpha 2. Therefore, you have to take alpha 1 as a minus 1, alpha 2 as a 3, and your equation is this. So that is equal to y minus 3 is equal to root 3x plus root 3. Of course, this is your answer. This is your answer. In the option, that only there. Y minus 3 is equal to root 3 times x minus y. Okay. If you want to convert into natural form, so that general form, so this is equal to root 3x plus root 3. So take that side, minus y plus 3 is equal to 0. So root 3x minus y plus 3 plus root 3 is equal to 0. So this will be your equation of the line. Okay, now I hope that, so I can say that this is basically a board level question. So almost those who are preparing seriously for JEE mains examination will do this solution. So that's why I can say that this is not the question rank deciding question. Okay, why? Because everybody can do this problem. So but this type of problems will give you a respectable score for our JEE mains examination. Okay, so I hope that you understand this solution. Let us go for next problem. Welcome to second problem. So this also I can say it is a board level question only. So here we are not going to use any very difficult formulas. We are not going to use a very basic formulas and basic concepts. Using basic formulas, basic concepts only, we are going to solve this problem. So even though the problem is looks to be a very descriptive, very high descriptive, the question is very, very easy. So first to try to read the problem carefully. So the question is, a point P moves so that the sum of the squares of its distances, the sum of the squares of its distances from the 2 points, there are 2 points are there, there are 50 point is 40. That means, first read the problem. Let f of x comma y is equal to 0 be the locus of P which intersects the x-axis at the points a comma b and y-axis at the point c comma d. Then the area of the quadrilateral ACBD is. Okay, ACBD is equal to, right. So options are also given. The first thing what you have to do is, here there are 2 points are there. Let them call it as A, of course, A, B already given. So let us call them as a point P is also given. So that let us call them L and M. So the point is L. So that is 1 comma 2. The point M is minus 2 comma 1. So these two are fixed point L and M. P is a variable point. So it is moving that side, this side. So this is a let P x comma y be at any point in the locus. Now what is the question given condition? So here P is a variable point x comma y. So what is given? The sum of the squares of its distances, that is what is given? PL square plus PM square. It is given as 14. So this is 14. Okay. Now apply the distance formula. No need of any square roots. Why? Because it is a PL square. So this is equal to x minus 1 whole square, y minus 2 whole square. PM square, no need of any square root, that is x plus 2 whole square plus y minus 1 whole square is equal to 14. So from this you will get an equation in the variables x and y. So this is x square, it is also x square. So this is a 2x square, here y square, here also y square, 2y square. Okay, so here x star minus 2x, here plus 4x. So here minus 2x, here 4x you will get, altogether plus 2x you will get. Okay, now, so here minus 4y, here minus 2y, here minus 2y, here minus 4y, here minus 2y, altogether minus 6y you will get. Okay, now coming to constants, 1, so this is a 4, again 4, again 1, 1, 4, 4, 1, 1 plus 4, 5, 5 plus 5, 10. So if you bring that 4 to this side, 10 minus 14, that is a minus 4 is equal to 0. Okay, so 10 minus 14 minus 4 is equal to 0. So clearly here 2, 2, 2 minus 6 minus 4 all are multiples of 2. So you can simplify this equation x square plus y square plus x minus 3y minus 2 is equal to 0. So this is the required, so this is the equation of the locus of the point P. Okay, now up to that one part is over. Now he is saying that this curve intersects the points, intersects x-axis at the points A and B. Okay, now, so if you want to find out the coordinates of A and B, that is a x-axis, now let us put y is equal to 0. So that means the curve intersects the x-axis at the points A and B. So put y is equal to 0. See what happens here. If you put y is equal to 0, x square. So this is a plus x. So this is minus 2 is equal to 0. Let us solve this equation x square plus x minus 2 is equal to 0. So clearly we can factorize this quadratic equation. So the factors are x plus 2 into x minus 1 is equal to 0. So therefore x is equal to minus 2 or 1. Therefore what are your points, coordinates of the points A and B? So your A is minus 2 comma 0 and B is 1 comma 0. Clearly we got the coordinates of A and B. Now let us see the coordinates of C and D. So what are the coordinates of D? How can you find out? The curve intersects the y-axis. So if you want to find out the coordinates of C and D, so let us put x is equal to 0. Let us put x is equal to 0 so that we can find the coordinates of C and D. So put x is equal to 0. So what you will get here? Y square minus 3y. Y square minus 3y minus 2 is equal to 0. Y square minus 3y minus 2 is equal to 0. Okay. So here the factorization not possible. So let us take the find the value of y using the formula y is equal to minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 9 minus 4ac, that is equal to 8 by 2a. So this is equal to y is equal to 3 plus or minus root 17 by 2. So 3 plus or minus root 17 by 2. So therefore what are the coordinates of C and D? So your coordinates of C are, so x value is 0 comma 1 3 plus root 17 upon 2 and D 0 comma 3 minus root 17 upon 2. Understand? So clearly you got the coordinates of A and B and the coordinates of C and D. So how to find out the area of the quadrilateral? So we have formulae. Okay. So first of all, my best suggestion is without finding the directly. So some students, they will start doing that area of triangle ABC plus area of triangle BCD. Like that they proceed. But instead of that, better you locate the points. Locate the points so that is there any possibility of a easy method is there. Okay. So let us continue the solution. Welcome back to the calculation. So while doing this problem, better you draw a small diagram so that the calculation part will be very, very easy. So here, x-axis and y-axis. Okay, now the first point minus 2 comma 0 will be here. So this is a minus 2 comma 0. This is A, and B is here. B is some 1 comma 0. 0 comma 3 plus root 17 by 2. 3 plus root 17 by 2 is a positive quantity. Therefore, it lies on the positive x-axis. That is this is a 0 comma 3 plus root 17 by 2. Okay. So this is a point C. Here 3 minus root 17 by 2 is a negative quantity. Why? Because here root 17 value is something 4 point something. Here 3 minus 4 means negative you will get. So therefore this will be your point D, that is a 0 comma 3 minus root 17 by 2. So luckily, so these points are on x-axis and y-axis. Now he want to find out the area of the quadrilateral, some A, C, B, D. So this is the area of this quadrilateral. So if we observe, if we can join this AB, so these are the two triangles, that is ABC and ABD. So the sum of these two areas gives the area of the total quadrilateral ABCD. Now what is the area of this quadrilateral means? So first triangle, area of the triangle ABC. So just a general formula we will apply, that is half into base into height. So that is equal to half into base is equal to how much? See here, from -2 to 1, how much distance is there? 3 units. From -2 to 0, 2 units. From here to here, 1 unit. So that is equal to 3 units into, this will be your height. Your height is equal to how much? 3 plus root 17 by 2. 3 plus root 17 by 2 plus what is the area of the below triangle ABD? Same. For this also the base is same. That is equal to half into base into height will be this. Height will be 3 minus root 17 by 2. So this is a 3 minus root 17 by 2. So this length. Okay now. So from this we can take here, but the thing is here, height, be careful about this. This is a 3 minus root 17 by 2, no? 3 minus root 17 by 2 is a negative quantity. So you, while taking the height, you have to take the positive quantity. So be careful here. So here you should not write down 3 minus root 17 by 2. So instead of that, you have to write down root 17 minus 3 by 2. Why? Because find out the distance. From this distance, what is the distance between these 2 points? So this is equal to OD length is equal to, so root of a square, that is a 0 square plus 3 minus root 17 by 2 whole square. But this is a 3 minus root 17 by 2, but it is a negative quantity, but you have to write it in a positive quantity. That's why. So you write it as a root 17 minus 3. Root 17 minus 3 you have to write down. Be careful that. So take anything common outside. So that is equal to 1 by 2 into 3 you can take common outside. So here you will remain 3 plus root 17 by 2 plus root 17 minus 3 by 2. So this is a 1 by 2 into 3. LCM is 2. Here in the numerator you can cancel plus root 3 minus root 3, root 17 into root 2 root 17. So here also you can cancel 2. So this is equal to 3 root 17 by 2. So this is a 3 root 17 by 2 is your correct answer. Okay. So the only thing you have to remember very carefully is this length. The length is 3 minus root 7 by 2. It is a negative quantity, but you have to write down it as a root 17 minus 3 by 2. That is your answer. Okay now? Right. I hope that is the only thing. If you write down here, if you write down 3 minus root 17 by 2. So here if you write down 3 minus root 17 by 2. So root 17, root 7 cancel. 3 plus 3, 6 by 2. Again there is a chance of getting 9 by 2. Okay na? So your answer is 3 root 17 by 2. So that is your perfect answer. I hope that you understand this solution. Let us go for next problem. Welcome to today's third problem. So this is also very easy problem. So let k be an integer. So remember that. So this is an integer such that the triangle with vertices k comma minus 3k, 5 comma k and minus k comma 2 has area 28 square units. The triangle with vertices, all these three, has 20 square units. Then the ortho center of this triangle is at the point. So very easy problem this is. So first to find out the area of this triangle. Okay. So we know different methods we have. We can find out the determinant method also we can find out. Otherwise general formula half modulus x1 k into k minus 2. So next one plus y1 into 2 plus 3k. So minus k into minus 3k minus k minus 4k is equal to 28. So this is, I used the formula half modulus y1 times x2 minus x1 plus y2 times x3 minus x1 plus y3 times y1 minus y2. sorry, y3 times x1 minus x2. So that is the formula I used. So bring 2 to that side, again you multiply here. So this is a k square minus 2k. So this is equal to 10 plus 15k. So this is a 4k square is equal to 56. Okay, so here it is a k square plus 4k square. This is a 5k square. So this is equal to plus 13k minus 2k plus 15k, 13k plus 10 is equal to 56. So actually you have to open the bracket, you will get a plus or minus 56 and you will get a quadratic equation. So you have to solve those quadratic equation. So here try to do this problem by solving this quadratic equation. So I solved it, so I got the value k is equal to 2, another one is a fraction. So let us verify that whether k is 2 is the right answer. Now 2 square 4 5s are 20, 20 plus 10 30, 30 plus 26 56. Yes, I got the correct answer just by guessing k is equal to 2. 2 square 4 5s are 20, 20 plus 10 30, 13 2s are 26. So 30 plus 26 56 I got. So therefore k is equal to 2. So remaining value will be a fraction. So that we can discard. Why? Because here k is an integer. Okay. So clearly I got the value of k. Therefore our vertices are, so let us call it as a. So what are your vertices? So this is equal to 2 comma minus 6. So what are the vertices of b? 5 comma 2. What are the vertices of 3? Minus 2 comma 2. So these are the vertices of the triangle ABC. So after knowing the vertices of triangle this ABC, so it is a very easy to find out the orthocenter of this triangle. So very easy to find out. So let us take a triangle ABC. So let us take AD is an altitude, BE is another altitude. AD and BE are altitudes. Therefore their point of intersection will be your orthocenter O. First, how to find out AD equation? What is the slope of BC? BC slope is 2 minus 2, 0, 0 by something 0. So its slope is m is equal to 0. The slope of this BC is 0. Therefore the slope of AD will be undefined. So therefore what is the equation of AD? Equation of AD will be y minus y1, that is equal to y plus 6 is equal to y minus y1 is equal to m means you will get something minus 1 by 0, x minus x1, that is equal to 2. So if you cross multiply, that will become 0 and x minus 2 is equal to 0. Therefore x is equal to 2. X is equal to 2. Where you have x is equal to 2? See here. Here x is equal to 2, x is equal to 2. Therefore B and C can be discarded. So the options B and C can be discarded. Okay, now let us check for remaining to decide which is the correct answer, either A or D. Find the equation of BE. So to find the equation of BE, now what is the slope of AC? So slope of AC is equal to how much? Slope of AC. So that is y2 minus y1. So 2 plus 6, 8 by 2 plus 6, 8 by x2 minus x1, minus 2, minus 4. So minus 4. Therefore 8 by 4 means minus 2. The slope of BE will be 1 by 2. The slope of BE will be 1 by 2. You know that perpendicular slope. Now what is the equation of BE? Y minus y1. Y minus y1 means 2. The slope is 1 by 2 into x minus x1. x1 means how much? 5. Okay, now. So already x value is equal to 2 we got. We have to find out the point of intersection. So here already we got x is equal to 2. Substitute x is equal to 2 here. So this is equal to y minus 2 is equal to 1 by 2 into. If you substitute x is equal to 2, 2 minus 5, minus 3 by 2. So this is minus 3 by 2. So take to that side. So that is equal to minus 3 by 2 plus 2. So y is equal to 2 2s are 4. Minus 3 plus 4 1. So therefore your y value is 1 by 2. So option D will be your correct answer. So 2 comma 1 by 2. So such a easy problem this is. So nothing to do is. But this type of problems are also giving in your JEE mains examinations. Okay, now So please concentrate. Actually, in straight lines, there are so many topics are there. But if you observe all these problems, what we did here, so very basic level formulas only it is given. Almost we can say all these three problems are board level problems. Okay, that's why. So please concentrate on your board level problems are also NCRT, CBSE syllabus problems are also you concentrate. Okay, now I hope that you understand this. Enjoy today's class. With some more problems, I will stand before you. So until then, all the best.